tell you, ploughing on contour is bloody dangerous. So I'm at the swales here, but I tell you, ploughing, it's like power sliding at half a mile an hour. It's dangerous as buggery. To the neighbour's dog. What's this? Don't know whether I can do it with one hand. Ah! Look! The angle of my wheel. It's like I'm going to fall into the... Ah! I'm falling! It's a bit difficult to see, but I've ploughed on contour here. There's the swales there. Very, very green now. And we do have trees growing in them as well. Almonds are just about to come into blossom. As you can see there, the little buds. Beautiful. All the buds. And a couple of almonds from last year. Neighbour's dog. Come on, he's always wanting to throw me to throw him stones. Show you another tree. So an almond. Sorry, olive.